2 p.m. Then a chance of showers.
Good morning,
and
State
thunderstorms after 2
College.
p.m.
Today's Wednesday.
Rainfall amounts between a
You know
tenth
the
and a quarter
drill.
of an inch.
Let's
Highs
go.
in the lower 80s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 8 p.m. Then a slight chance of thunderstorms between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. Showers likely after 8 p.m. Rainfall amounts between the... This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Gary.